I'm flinging your birds.
What are you flinging your birds at?
Trapping.
Sammy, what happened?
Your piggies.
What happened to the piggies?
With your birds.
What did you do? What did the piggies do?
They knocked down with your birds.
Oh, they got knocked down with the birds. Cool. Which one is your favorite bird? What does that bird say? Really? What does the yellow bird say? What does the blackbird say? Cool. What does the yellow bird say?